Welcome to our video. Are you looking for a nutritious and flavorful way to start your day? Look no further. In this video, we'll be sharing 5 mouth-watering vegan breakfast drink recipes that are not only good for your body but also for your taste buds. Let's get started. Number 1. Energizing Green Goddess Smoothie. Start your day with a burst of energy from our Green Goddess Smoothie. Packed with leafy greens and natural sweetness, this smoothie will have you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Number 2. Creamy chocolate peanut butter shake. Who says you can't have chocolate for breakfast? Indulge guilt-free in our chocolate peanut butter shake, creamy, chocolatey, and oh so satisfying. Number 3. Berry Oat Breakfast Bliss. Looking for a breakfast that feels like a warm hug? Our Berry Oat Breakfast Bliss is here to cozy up your mornings with the goodness of berries and heartwarming oats. Number 4. Tropical Turmeric Twist. Transport yourself to a tropical paradise with our Tropical Turmeric Twist. This anti-inflammatory elixir will have you dreaming of sandy beaches and sunny skies. Number 5. Creamy Coffee Almond Delight. Coffee lovers rejoice! Our Creamy Coffee Almond Delight is the perfect marriage of bold coffee flavor and creamy almond goodness. Ready to shed those extra pounds and reclaim your confidence. Discover the proven secrets to natural weight loss and say goodbye to stubborn belly fat for good. Click the link in the video description below to access our exclusive guide and start your journey to a healthier, happier you. Don't wait, your transformation begins now.